Right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Right. Chris, shall we start? The other session එක කාට හරි on Zoom එකෙන් join වෙන්න බැයි නම් YouTube link එක දාලා තියෙනවා ඒ groups වලට. Right? add වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Screen එක clear ද පුතා? Yes, right. Right. Today we are going to discuss grade 10, paper number 4. October on the paper number 4 තමයි start කරන්න යන්නේ. Right. In addition on top sheets එකක් ළඟ තියාගන්න. පොඩි important points ටිකක් දෙනවා short forms ටිකත් එක්ක especially physics and chemistry වල. Right. Okay. Right. පොඩි details ටිකක් දෙන්න තියෙනවා on exam එකට යනකොට exam tips විදිහට. ඒ ටිකත් අපි paper එකේ discussion එක යනකොට discuss කරමු. Right. Okay, what is the first one? Amari's skin is dry and blisters have appeared on her knee and elbows. Further, beetle spots are in her eyes. From which of the following deficiency of vitamins is Amari suffering? Right, very easy one. But grade 10 on the first lesson especially organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Right. When we consider about organic compounds, it's also categorized into biomolecules, right? I mean, biomolecules are organic compounds, but biomolecules are in examples in the carbohydrate, protein, lipids, and nucleic acids, right? In additionally, our biomolecules category include natty organic compound, we call it vitamins, right? For the vitamins or vitamins, we can divide into two main groups. First one, water soluble, and fat soluble, water soluble and fat soluble, right? But the water solubles, now the examples B and C, water soluble and all B and C. Fat soluble, KADE, on a simple form, KADE, yes. Right. Apis vitamins B, night blindness, vitamin A, night blindness, vitamin B, beriberi, C, scurvy, D, rickets, E, premature birth, K, delay in blood clottings. Right, say it again. Vitamin A4, night blindness, vitamin B4, beriberi, C4, scurvy, D4, rickets, E4, premature birth, K, delay in blood clottings. Right, over time, mainly we discuss deficiency symptoms. In here, beetle spots and dry skin, right? So answer vitamin A, right? Vitamin A. Is it clear? Okay. Question number 2 indicates here is the velocity time graph for the motion of a certain object. What is the displacement of the object from beginning to 20 seconds? Right. But especially we discuss graphs for types. graphs වල types දෙකයි. First one, displacement time graph and velocity time graph. Velocity time graph. Is it clear? Right. After shapes එන්නේ පුතා, there are two types, right? When a may shape එක තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට වගේ fractions වල කොහෙන් ගියත් එන්නේ. Clear? Right. Displacement time graph වල, right, මම ඔයාලට name කරනවා A, B, C. And here velocity time graphs වල D, E, F, right. මෙන්න මේ parts වලින් describe වෙන details ටික මට කියන්න, right. Zoom එකේ ඉන්න chat box දෙන්න, YouTube ඉන්න comment section එකේ දෙන්න. Right, YouTube ඉන්න comment section එකේ දෙන්න. Right, first one, displacement time graph A, B, C parts වලින්. And second one, velocity time graph එකේ D, E, F. Right, Zoom එකේ ඉන්න දෙන්න. Chat box, YouTube එකේ ඉන්න comment section දෙන්න. Right. Right, very good. So the part A, this one, uniform velocity. Uniform velocity and rest, and here also uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. Right. So the displacement time graphs will not be discussed කරන්නේ නැහැ. Or calculations විදිහට හම් වෙන්නේ නැහැ acceleration part. Right? But when we consider about time and velocity, right? This one uniform acceleration, and here uniform velocity, again uniform deceleration. Deceleration. But in special point, there's a special point, right? Displacement time graph again, maybe the both acceleration, and maybe the both deceleration. Deceleration. Right. So velocity time graph. So this part acceleration and uniform velocity. Acceleration and uniform velocity. Right. So what is the displacement of the object from the beginnings to 20s? Right. Acceleration area half into base 10. Perpendicular height also 10. So 10 into 10, 100 divided by 2 mean 50 meters. 50 meters. 50 meters. Then right. Uniform velocity again. When the may part again 10 into 10, that means 100. 100. So total like 150 meters. 150 meters. Right. Is it clear? Good. Then question number 3. What is the true statement about 10 20 neon atoms and sodium 1123, but in here positive. Right, let's see. But then neon 10, 20. And here, api sodium consider karala ivarabela finally positive gonna discuss current. Right. Number of protons 10, number of protons 11. Number of electron 10, may I get 10. And here number of neutrons 20 divided minus 10 mean gain 10, and here 12. Right. But in here you can see sodium plus iron, cation. So number of protons same. But what happened to the number of electrons? Can't remove it now. Sorry. The method 11, no? And here 11, method 12, right? Then positive when I remove, then it's converted to 10, but neutron also same. Neutron also same. So what happened? So what happened here? Positive charge when I got electron remove it. So what is the final answer? What is the final answer? Ashmal, this is October paper number 4. Right? November month ke ayata tama me tika send vela naha. Okay? If you want this paper, please send me a WhatsApp message, then I can forward. Right. So let's see. The number of electrons in both is equal. No. The number of protons in both is equal. No. The number of neutrons, no. The number of protons in both is greater than the number of neutrons. The number of proton is greater than the number of neutron. No, number of electron is both is equal. Right. Yes, first one. Positive ekat එක change කරාදී right. Answer එක first one. Answer එක first one. Sarnitan here neon 10 mean atomic number, 20 mean mass number. Right? So number of protons 10, electron also 10, neutron also 10. But when we consider about sodium, number of neutron, proton, electron, both are 10, 11, then neutrons 12. Right? But sodium convert to sodium plus ion, then what happened? One electron remove, then it's convert to plus ion. So 11 electrons are in then 10 venom. 10 venom. Clear? No, Chris. Chris, revision, rapid revision එක ඉන්නවනම් tape එකත් එක්ක හම්බ වෙනවා. ඔය rapid revision එක ඉන්නවා මම හිතන්නේ. Right? Okay. Right. Then question number 4. Ashmal, can you send WhatsApp message?
Okay, sir.
Ashmal, can you send WhatsApp message? Then I can forward this paper. Right. Then question number 4. Given below is the balance equation relating to the decomposition of potassium permanganate. That means Condis. How much is the amount of moles of potassium permanganate that should be decomposed to produce 3 moles of oxygen gas? Right, here listen to me, Buddha. Here listen to me. Right, but on the balance karadi, in here 2, 1, 1, 1. So this is the molar ratio. 2, 1, 1, 1. Got it? So, how much is the amount of moles potassium permanganate that should be decomposed to produce 3 moles of oxygen gas? Put a 1 moles water potassium permanganate 2. Then 3 moles water 6 on 6 on but make an answer cut 9. 3 moles of oxygen gas water 6 on make an answer cut 9. Missing. Right, 6 Okay. Right. Now listen to me here. Right. Okay. What are the products? Calcium carbonate and calcium carbonate. Then in addition, KNO3. Right. Products to Galian. Roshan, first of all, you have to get molar ratio. 2, 1, 1, 1. Molar ratio means balance molar ratio. Here 1, 1, 1, but in here 2. So 2 to 1, 1, 1 sama molar ratio. Right? In here, to produce 3 moles of oxygen now, 1 moles water 2 on it. 3 moles water 6 on it. 3 moles water 6 on. 3 moles water 6 on. Got it? Right. Calcium carbonate. What are the products? Yeah, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Right. Put a balancing amount of තාම ඔන්න මිස් වෙනවා නම් YouTube එකේ දීලා තියෙනවා precisions ටිකක් ඔයා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේ ටිකේ free එකේ study කරන්න. Then potassium nitrate KNO2 plus O2. Right. Balance කරන්න. 3 sorry 2 no 2 then 2 and 2 into 3 6 2 into 2 4 then oxygen. Right, is it clear? Okay. Right, what do you mean by typical cell? The structural and functional, no. The cell that gives origin to some other cells, no. The cells that can undergo division, no. The constructed cell that contains all the organelles. Fourth one. Very easy. The gravitational acceleration on the moon is 1/6 that of the Earth. If the gravitational acceleration on the Earth is 10, what would be the weight of an astronaut? The mass 60 kilograms. What is 60 kilograms? What is 1 kilogram equal 10 newtons. So 60 kilogram equal 600 newtons. 60 kilogram equal 600 newtons. But in here, 1 over 6 බලන්න ඕනේ. So what is the final answer? 100 newtons. 100 newtons. Right. Is it clear? Okay. An organism has the following features. Consisting of eukaryote cells, has the ability to decompose organic matter, presence of chitin cell wall, right? Definitely answer the fungi. Fungi. Question why? 600 newtons into 1 over 6. Then 6 divided by 6. That means 100 newtons. 100 newtons. So, which kingdom? Kingdom fungi. Fungi. Kingdom fungi. Right. Then question number 8. The diagram shows a cross-section of cylindrical concrete ring kept on a flight of steps. Indicate as the A, B, and C, D are 4 points at which a force can be applied by a man to roll it to upper level. What is the point at which force can be applied on the cylinder in a suitable direction to roll it up? Roll it up. Question number 8. Right. What is your answer? A. Right. මේ පැත්තට roll කරන්න ඕනේ. Right. Right. මෙයා වටේ තමයි turn වෙන්නේ. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Right. Right. May discuss කරන්න වෙන්නේ moment ගැන. Moment. What do you mean by moment? Moment equal force into distance. Force into distance. So, පුතේ force එක minimum වෙන්න නම් distance එක maximum වෙන්න ඕනේ. So, මෙන්න මේ point එක වටේ turn වෙන්න තියෙන right distance එක තමයි consider කරන්න වෙන්නේ. But ගොඩක් ඉන්න what is the point at which force can be applied on the cylinder in a suitable direction to roll it up? So, may point එකද consider කරන්නේ මේ point එකද consider කරන්නේ. Right. Up නම් රොෂේන් AOC මෙතනි up නම් no point B ගන්න බෑ. පුතේ distance එක වැඩිම point එක තමයි select කරන්නේ. රොෂේන් moment equal force into distance no. So force එක decrease වෙන්න නම් maximum distance එක ගන්නවා. Right? Maximum distance එක. අපි මේ point එක up නම් මේ point එක තමයි consider කරන්න වෙන්නේ. එතකොට ගන්න වෙන්නේ answer එක C. C. right? Answer එක C. මේ point A, point B, point C, point D. Maximum distance එකක් තියෙන්නේ point C. Point C. No. Maximum distance point D, C. May point again. Point C, no. Right? Point C. Right? Circle again. Right? Circle එකක when මේ distance එකට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? Right? මේ distance එකට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? මේක නම් radius. මේක මොකක්ද? Yes, diameter. Diameter. So මේක තමයි diameter. Diameter එක තමයි maximum length එකක් කියන්නේ. Maximum length. Right. So answer is C. The atmospheric pressure at sea level is 76 centimeters mercury centimeters. If the density of mercury is 13,600 and the gravitational acceleration 10, what is the pressure of Pascal? Where is C? P equal H rho G 76 centimeters. So convert meters. Then 13,600 kilograms per cubic meters into 10. 10. So 0, 0, 0 cancel. Very easy, no? Answer the first one, no? First one. It's very easy. Right. With me. But sea level again is 76. Right. We are top of the mountain. Mountain එක කුලට ගේනවා. Then what happened? 76 increase or decrease? Increase or decrease? Ashmal, what happened to the atmospheric pressure when we consider about top of the mountain? Met me? 76 centimeters මොකද වෙන්නේ? Increase or decrease? Right? Increase or decrease? $76 centimeters measure කරන්න මෙතෙන්ට. Right? අපි top of the mountain අරන් යනවා නම් what happened? Definitely decrease. Atmospheric pressure එක decrease වෙනවා. Right? Atmospheric pressure එක decrease වෙනවා. Decrease, huh? Right. Okay. In addition to that, on a තව දෙයක්. Right. On a sea level එකේ, yeah? Sea level එකේ, right? Sea level එකේ මේක මේ විදිහට angle වුණොත්. Right. Sea level එකේදී Ocean කැලලත් එක beach යනවා, right? Ocean කැලලත් එක beach යනකොට කැලල අතේ තියන් ඉන්නවා මේක. All right. 76 centimeters තියෙන mercury column එකේ height එක. Right? මේක මේ විදිහට turn වෙනවා. bend වෙනවා. Right? අනිත් කියතින් මේක මේ විදිහට bend වෙනවා. නැමෙනවා. turn වෙනවා. Right? What happened to the 76 centimeters? Ashman, what happened to this 76 centimeter? Increase or decrease with me? Sudamsa, what happened? 76 centimeters when you make what happened? Increase or decrease? Ashmal, what happened? Menuli, Sehansa, increase, this increase, Russian increase, Menuli increase, Sehansa increase, Sarnitan increase, Roshan. Roshan. Theory class के पढ़ गया वाला. कोई important points देना तो पढ़ गया वाला Roshan. हाँ. Make a didn't change. Change in that same value. Nothing change. Nothing change. Right? Make a few statistical කියලා තියෙනවා YouTube එකේ බලන්න. Roshan ඔහොම ගිහිලා නම් grade 11 මගේ ළඟ එන්න එපා. හරි? Right. Then question number 10. What is the current produced by the cell? Put a 18. So what is the value of equivalent resistance? Ajmal, say answer. What is the value of equivalent resistance? Equivalent resistance value we kill. Yes. 18 mean final answer 9. 18 mean final answer 9, right? Structure though essays now. Many steps together. 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, then 18 ohms plus, and here also 18 ohms, then 2 divided by 18, 1 over RE. So RE equal 18 divided by 2 mean 9. Right? So listen to me, Buddha. Right, here listen to me. Yeah? Right, me 18 equivalent resistance, no? Same value. So what is the final value? They come the same. What the same? So what is the final value? 18. So what is the answer? No. May again half. They come equal now. Right? They come equal now. Final answer. May again half. 18 divided by 2 mean final answer 9. Ashmal, okay? Right, then here 9 parallel. 9. What is the final answer? 4.5. Right. 10. What is the final value? 10. What is the final value? 5. Right, 5. It's very easy. Right. So listen to me again. Right. Well, same. Then this one. 2010. Right. Tell me what is the final value? 20 into 10. 20 plus 10. That means 200 divided by 30. 200 divided by 30. Next one. 6 and 3. Then what happened? 6 into 3, 6 plus 3. 18 divided by 9. That means 2. Shane, what are you doing? Right? 2. Is it clear? All right, that's enough. So here 18 by plus 18 and 18, no? So equivalent resistance 9. So current I equal V divided by R. So V 6 volt divided by 9 ohms. That means 2 divided by 3 amperes. 2 divided by 3. Yeah, 200 divided by 3, no? right? So question number 10 is. Oh, right. Then structure disease. Then structure disease. But there definitely Archimedes principle, assay friction, Ohm's law, structure, equivalent resistance, assay, and gas exchange. Sorry, gas production of gas production, and hematite then, right? Structure assay, on the balayana definitely. Right, all the elements belonging to the second period to the periodic table are given below without following the correct order. Arrange all the above elements in the periodic table. Second period: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Write the electronic configuration of F. F can in 9 penalty. So 2,7. 2,7. Ashmal, in here, 2,7 means 7 group number 7. It's a group number. And what is the valency value? Valency equal 1. And 2, 7 means 2 numbers, that means second period. Second period. Got it? Right. Then write the chemical formula of the compound which is formed in the reaction between lithium and oxygen. Put a lithium metal, oxygen non-metal. Lithium group number 1 means valency also 1. Oxygen group number 6, that means valency 2. Right, change karo Li2O, lithium oxide. Lithium oxide. What is the type of chemical bond? Right, what is the type of chemical bond? Ashmal, what is the type of chemical bond?
Covalent bond.
Ashmal, what is the type of chemical bond? Intermolecular bonds, no? Covalent, very good. Say answer. What is your answer? Sudamsa. Diseni, how are you? Ashmal, covalent, no? Diseni Gunawardhana. Group number 1, group number 1, group number 6. So definitely ionic. Ionic. In the given box, draw the Lewis structure of carbon dioxide. It's very easy, no? Very easy. Right. Is it clear? In addition, N2O2. Right, N2 and O2. N2 and O2. N2 and O2. N2 and O2. Right, N2 triple bonds. Right, put a 1 bond represent 2 electrons, right? So 2, 4, 6. So how many electrons are there? 6. Right, 8 current. So another 2 here and here also 2. Right. Then oxygen, double bond oxygen, 1, 2, 2 bonds, that means 4 electrons, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Octa complete pair node. Octa complete pair node. Right. Is it clear? Is it clear? Right. Then diamonds and graphite are main allotrope forms of carbon. Which of these allotrope forms conduct electricity? Graphite. Graphite. Yes, Sanithan, there is three bonds. Yeah, triple bond. Yeah, represent from the element in this period, right, respectively, the element has the lowest first ionization energy and highest electronegativity, right? Okay. But the electronegativity falling scale again, right? Chlorine, that means group number 7 maximum electronegativity එකක් දෙන්නේ, right? Value එක 4.0. So lowest first ionization energy Ashmal, 1 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up. Tell me again. 1 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up. That means lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. So lowest value with a lithium, maximum value with a neon. Maximum value with a neon. Right. Is it clear? Very easy. Right. The chemical formula of urea is CONH2 twice. How many total number of atoms present in the urea molecule? Right. 4 hydrogen atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms, carbon 1, oxygen 1. So total like 8. 8. Find the molar mass of urea. 1 into 12 carbon plus 1 into 16 oxygen plus 2 into 14 plus 4 into 1. So final answer molar mass so 60 grams per mole. 60 grams per mole. 60 grams per mole. Yes, Ashma. First ionization energy will maximum first ionization energy represent karane Nobel gases. But electronegativity will Nobel gases ganna. Find the number of moles in 30 grams of urea. What is the formula? Moles equal mass divided by molar mass. 30 grams divided by 60 grams per mole. So what is the final answer? Half or 0.5. Right. How many molecules are there in 30 grams? Ashmal, one of moles lesson එකේ free session එකක් YouTube එකේ තියෙනවා මගේ බලන්න study කරන්න vacation time එකේ, right? අනිවාර්යෙන් ඔයා ගොඩ යනවා. Definitely. Right. But 60 grams වල Avogadro constant. But in here 30 grams mean so half. That means 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power 23. Right. Is it clear? Lowest first ionization energy, lithium. Highest electronegativity element, fluorine. Fluorine. Ashmal, is it okay? Right. Then question number 2. Chemical compounds that build up living matter can be divided into two categories, organic compounds and inorganic compounds. What the organic compound mean? They contain carbon. Inorganic mean carbon none. But when we consider about organic compounds, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbonate and bicarbonate. මෙන්න මේ කට්ටියත් inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds. Of the biomolecules in the living body, which one is the considered important storage of genetic materials? Nucleic acids. That means DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA. That means nucleic acids. But when we consider about viruses wala DNA or RNA. Got it? DNA or RNA. DNA and RNA limits. Very important. A group of students heated the certain food sample crucible and hold a glass sheet above crucible. Name the chemical substance that can be identified water in a food. Anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous copper sulfate and anhydrous cobalt chloride. Anhydrous. What the anhydrous mean? Met me. Anhydrous cobalt chloride. Huh? Right? Cobalt chloride mean it contain water. That means COCl2 plus 2H2O like that. Right? Anhydrous cobalt chloride mean when me water tika naha COCl2. Right? Write the observation in the above experiment. When we use copper sulfate, white color turn into blue. White color turn into blue. When we use cobalt chloride, blue color turn into pink. Blue color turn into pink. Write the specific property of water related with the transport water in upper part of the plant, cohesion and adhesion forces. Right. Is it clear? What is the element responsible for the identified disease like cramp, nausea, and diarrhea? Potassium, no? Okay. Deficiency which is element plants called drying tissue at the tip of the leaves. Sorry. Here sodium, no? Sorry. Diarrhea and sodium. Drying tips of the leaves mean calcium. What is the element responsible for the growth of intelligence of human? iodine. Iodine. Pute, can you give some examples when we are using iodine? So we use iodine to identify some nutrients. For what? What do we identify? Food sample lega?
That.
Food sample
That.
lega? Iodine use karan to identify starch. To identify starch. Okay, given below our organelles perform different function in the cell. Write the function of each. Ribosomes, site of protein synthesis. protein synthesis. Nucleus, control all cell activities. Control all cell activities and contain genetic materials. No. Golgi, protein and lipids for secretion. Secretion. Right. Ribosome, 17S and 18S. Nucleus, double membrane. Double membrane. In addition, Roshan, there are some organelles we can observe double membrane. Can you tell me, Sudhamsa? How they got here? There are total, there are 3 double membranes organelles in plant cell. What are they? What are they? What are they? Mitochondria, very good. Mitochondria and chloroplast. Chloroplast. Mitochondria and chloroplast, very good. Right. What is the organelles of the cell associated with respiration? Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Name the type of cell division which is important to produce new cells of healing wounds. Healing wounds now, mitosis. That means 2N, again daughter cells were the same, 2N, 2N. That means 46 chromosomes, and here also 46 and here also 46. Mitosis. Mitosis. Right. Is it clear? Right. Then essay part. Following diagram shows some play items in children's park. Right. Listen to me. Right. Up here, figure number A. May I get forces mark karamu? W and here T1, T2. So T1 plus T2 equal W. Right. When we consider about figure 2, clockwise moment, and here anti-clockwise moment. Right. Keep on your mind. Right. Then listen to me. As shown in the figure A, a child is sitting on the equilibrium and stationary in swing. Figure A shows the corresponding force diagrams for this situation. Write the relationship among F1, F2, and W. Right. It's very easy, no? Put a F1 plus F2 equal W. In figure 2, the mass of each child who is sitting on the two sides seesaw is 25 kilograms. What can we say the resultant of system force acting on the seesaw? Resultant එක. Right. Equilibrium now. Resultant force එක 0. Resultant force එක 0. Resultant force එක 0. Right. Resultant force එක 0. That means පුතා we right අපි හිතමු D1, this one D2. So clockwise moment, and here also anti-clockwise moment. So mass එක 25 kilograms and here also 25 kilograms. With the equilibrium now, definitely F1 D1 equal F2 D2. F1 D2. Right. Is it clear? Right. Then what can we say about the resultant of the system force acting on the seesaw equal the distance from the rotating point O to the place where child is sitting from 1.5. Find the moment of the couple of force acting here. Right. Couple of force, Sahanya. Couple of force acting here, definitely. Right. Listen to me. Couple of force. Put this one 1.5 meters. Right. And here also 1.5 meters. Right. අපි මේ point එකේ ඉඳන් consider කරොත් right 25 kilograms නම් 10 වලින් multiply කරනවා, then it's convert to 250 newtons. 250 newtons. Right? Okay. With me, can you tell me what is the final value? What is the moment of couple of force? Moment of couple of force. Sudhamsa, tell me moment of couple of force. Moment of couple of force. Met me, what is your answer? Sarnithan, what is your answer? What is your answer? $375. 375. Right? Now. Sudhamsa, what is your answer? Seansa. Now. Ashman. 750, yes. Pute, couple of force, Sahane. Couple of force mean total distance. Right? So, moment. Total distance into force. So, distance like 1.5 meters plus 1.5 into 250 newtons. So, 3 meters into 250. That means 750 newtons. 750 newtons. 750 newtons. Figure 3 shows the play train in the park. The moves in a straight line path. The velocity time graph, it is motion from the starting point to the ending point is given below. Where? All right. Briefly explain the nature of the motion of the play train. Right. When the May parts falling answer ka right. Put a velocity time graph, no? So uniform acceleration, uniform velocity, uniform deceleration. Deceleration. Uniform deceleration. Right. Is it clear? Right. Now, 0, 0 mean 0, 0 mean start from rest. Start from rest. Then 0 to 5 uniform acceleration. Then 5 to 35 uniform velocity, that means 3 ms minus 1. last 5 seconds, uniform deceleration, and finally object at rest. Object at rest. Object at rest. Clear? Right. අර මගේ විදිහට graphs එක read කරන්න. එතකොට හරි. Starting from rest, final again rest. First 5 seconds, uniform acceleration and acquire 3 ms minus velocity. Then uniform velocity again another 30 seconds. Finally, last 5 seconds, uniform deceleration. Uniform deceleration. Uniform deceleration. Uniform deceleration. Right. Is it clear? Go. The total mass of the train is 1,500 kilogram. Find the moment of the train that during the from 5 to 35, right? That means uniform velocity, no? Right. Momentum equal mass into velocity. Put a mass at 1,500 kilogram. Velocity at 3 ms minus 1. So 7,500 kilograms ms minus 1. If the length of the plate train is 18 meters, calculate the length of railway. Calculate the length of railway. Right. Tell me, what is your answer? Total distance, or calculate the length of the railway. Calculate the length of the railway. Total length. Tell me, what is your answer? Very easy one. Total area. So 40 plus 30 divided by 2 into 3. So 70 divided by 2 means 35 into 3. 35 into 3, no? No. So whenever calculate. Yes, 105, no? 40 plus 30 divided by 2 into 3, no? So 105 meters. 105. 105. Right. Then what is the weight of a part A? Yeah, part A. 35 kilograms, no? Mass, no? Right, mass 25, so weight 250 newtons. Again, same one, no? 1 kilogram equal 1 kilogram equal 10 newtons. So 25 kilogram equal 250 newtons. What is the importance of having the pivoted by point B more closer to NA than NC? NA. Right. When the maker closer when known equal 100. Right. May I close when what happened? Moment decrease zero. Right. Yes. එතකොට මේ rod එක balance වෙනවා. Rod get balance. What is the force should be held to P in order to bring the rod equilibrium, right? පුතේ මේ පැත්තට anti-clockwise moment equal clockwise moment. So anti-clockwise moment 250 newtons into 1 meter equal force into 5 meters. So force එක 50 newtons. 50 newtons. 50 newtons. Right. Very easy. Okay. Then rate of reaction again. Right. පුතේ ඔන්න තාමත් අපේ rapid revision එකට join වෙලා නැත්නම් ඔන්න මේ message එකක් දෙනවා මේත් එක්කම rapid revision class එකේ next week අපි start කරනවා chemistry physics biology sessions 6ක් වගේ ඊවාට grade 10 වල ඔක්කොම ආයෙ ඔන්න questions විදිහට discuss කරනවා අපි Sunday 8:30 right ඔයාලා recordings ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔන්න vacation එකේ free එකේ ඉන්න කාලේ ඔන්න ඔයාලට ආපහු science ටික කොට දා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Okay. Given below is a setup of to studying rate of reaction. Right. First one A, B, C, zinc 10 grams, 1 and 2 moles. Right. So C wala 2 moles mean high concentration. High concentration. So let's see. Of the setup A, B, and C, which setup would you select the show the effect of slowing factor reactants, right? Conservation of reactants. Conservation of reactants. A and C. Surface area A and B. A and C, A and B. Right, me? Same particles, but here different concentration. So A and C concentration of reactant surface area on A and B. What is the factor that affects the rate of reaction is not tested here? Temperature. Temperature. It's very important. State the change should be done. Keep above factor constant during the experiment. Right. Carry out this experiment with water bath to maintain constant temperature. Right. When you make a water bath, carried out this experiment on water bath to give constant temperature. Constant temperature එකක් දෙන්න water bath එක dip කරනවා. Water bath. Water bath. Right. Write the balanced chemical equation of the above mentioned reaction. That means zinc plus HCl is convert to ZnCl2 plus H2 for balancing here 2. Right. When we consider about physical state, solid, aqueous, and gas. Okay, how we can identify hydrogen gas in this school laboratory? What is the method? When we put glowing splinter, we can observe pop sounds. 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 Mention the method to identify gas release above expression, right? So, okay, then write the ascending order, the rate of reaction A, B, and C. So, first one B, then C, then A. B, C, and A. Is it clear? B, C, and A. B, C, and A. Here, high surface area, and here also same. But when we consider about B, low surface area. So, B, then A, C. Here, high concentration and high surface area. Definitely, rate of reaction is high. High rate of reaction can be observed. Right. Two types of bonds in water labeled A and B. Name the A and B. Where? Right. A, covalent. B. What is the B? What is the B? Yeah, very good. Intermolecule bonds. Intermolecule bonds. Intermolecule bonds. Write the specific property of water due to bond B. Due to bond B. High surface tension. High surface tension. In addition, yeah, very good. High boiling point. High boiling point. What else? Lower density of ice than water. Lower density of ice than water. That's very important. Write the reason for the formation of bond B. Put in here, oxygen get negative charge and hydrogen get positive charge. Then it's converted to intermolecule bonds. Right? Oxygen and hydrogen. When we consider about oxygen, it's get negative, delta negative. Hydrogen, delta positive. Then we can observe intermolecular bonds. Right? Due to the attraction between the slightly positive hydrogen atoms. The slightly positive hydrogen atoms. Slightly positive hydrogen atoms of one water molecule N. Of one water molecule N. Slightly negative oxygen atoms. Slightly negative oxygen atoms in another water molecule. This is caused by the polar nature of the water molecule. This is caused by the polar nature of the water molecule. What is the number of water molecules in 1 mole of water? 1 mole Avogadro constant theory. Avogadro constant. Right. Is it clear? Right. On ape paper number 4 ekat okay. Then api next week indang onna November month එකේ ටික discuss කරනවා. December first week එනකොට ඔන්න papers 4ම අපි discuss කරලා ඉවර කරනවා. Okay? Discussions ටික ඉවර කරනවා. Right. එතකොට ඒ ටික ඔළුවේ තියාගන්න. In addition ඔයාට ඔන්න rapid revision එකත් අපි start කරලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි? ඒ ටිකත් ඔන්න cover කරගන්න. මොනවා හරි mistakes තියෙනවා නම් ඔන්න අහන්න. Definitely ඔයාගේ exam එකට යන්න කලින්. Right? මේ වෙනකොට මේ නම් paper sessions ගොඩක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? ඔයාට ඔයගේම recordings ටික බලන්න පුළුවන් ආපහු right self study කරන්න short notes books ටික next week වෙනකොට ඔන්න ready වෙනවා ඔයා November month එකේ මොන හරි tubes අපෙන් පුරිය ගන්න ඕන ඔන්න ඒත් එක්කම ගන්න පුළුවන් හරි right okay if you want more details or any clarifications so ඔන්න අපෙන් WhatsApp message එකක් හරි ඔන්න නැත්නම් voice call එකක් හරි දීලා අහන්න පුළුවන් right any doubts Chris Sarnita no right මොන හරි අවුලක් තියෙනවා නම් ඔන්න WhatsApp message එකක් දෙන්න අපිට right goodbye